Hello, traders. Here we are getting into the lunch session. So, this is the best time for me because it's not as volatile. And you can see I'm not getting that much delays, anyways. So, I'm trading my PA here. I'm down, and you can see 1,050 on a 50K, 50K PA. So, I'm just back down to trading one contract right now until I can build that up.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
See, that was my fault. I didn't get down, I entered too soon. So I'm back to 1-4. Man, that sucks. That's going, I think this is going back up here. Yeah, it's going back up. And that's where it's going.
Order submitted.
See if we can get it pulled back here.
Order filled.
There we go.
Target filled. Target filled.
Oh, wow, that went pretty fast. And I am 33 seconds behind. So it's affecting me on this thing. There it is. So I'm back up to down only 780, which ain't bad. So now, let me see if we can just get this right here. If it does get me,
Order submitted. Order filled.
okay, good. I got filled.
Target filled.
That's good. See if we can get it up there.
Hey, coach.
Hello.
Hello. Oh,
Hello.
yeah. Hey, coach. I'm sorry. I had some sound problems. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Target filled.
And that was the trade I needed. And that put me up at $55 to the good, which is better than being down 1,000. So, and again, this is a
Coach, can
PH.
you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Testing
you.
1, 2.
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello, can you hear me? Maybe your audio must be off. Um, I can hear you loud and clear. Oh, you know what? Go to Discord because I don't see you here. Oh, there I see you. I see you. Yeah, you're not muted, but I can hear you. Testing 1, 2, 3. Check your headset or something. Okay, so that got me back up to the positive, which is more than I can say, and I'll take that.
Yeah.
So, can you hear me now?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm having. I don't know what's going on with my audio.
Uh, man, it's going up to where? Where is this going up to? This may come back down
Yeah,
here
I'm
to
going
the.
through everything. I'm hearing you so low. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, sorry. I don't want to interrupt you.
Oh no, no, that's okay. I can hear you. So here, this may come down. Well, this is already too late for me to take this. I don't want to take this to the down. Well, you know what? Very tempting to go to the downside to get at least maybe a scalp here. Um, because it may pop up like that, bouncing off the 21 EMA. Yeah, kind of scary. Even though it's a setup, this is the golden setup. Coming off the 50, going down to the 26. I just want to get some confirmation here before I go do that. Like,
Order submitted.
I'll just take this. Let's see what happens. I'll scalp this. See, that's what I'm thinking. See, that's good. I didn't take it. At least it didn't get me filled yet. See, there it is. So it goes up. It'll probably come back down. So that's why I'm going to put this down here. Right there. It's hitting the view app right now. And this probably go past the view app. Oops. I'm sorry. Can't see my thing here. Yeah, this may go past the view app. So it may even go way up there. So let's see. I made I think 700 on my Buell Knox account, so that's on a evaluation. Yeah, it looks like we're going up. We're at the VWAP. Looks like we're gonna be going up there. So let me see.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Man, hit my target. 765 on this. Again, this is a PA, so I want to be consistent. Don't want to be hitting. Again, this is a 50K target is around. I think if I can average around 700. Let me see what's my net right now. I want to make sure that my net is around 700. Yep, 713. So we can average 700 times 8. That's 5,600 in profit. That's enough for me to withdraw 2,000. I just have to maintain that. So with that said, I'm done. Unless I want to trade another. Oh, I bought another evaluation. That was the move. You can see that was the move I needed to get back from 1,000 down to $700 in profit. Let me see here. I'm trying to get my trade performance. Is this the other account? So this is how much I made with two accounts right now that I traded. One was a PA, one is a valuation. Total of right there 1460. Now I'm just gonna do the PA here. So my PA is actually right there, 765. I was down as much as 1,000, I think. Yeah, right there. Turn it around. 65, and my goal is really 700 a day on a 50K. Trading this gold, because if you can trade, again, if you can go from one target, like example here, with two contracts, right? So if you can go from any of this, from a gold level to here, all the way down here with two contracts, the way you'll make 700. So that's why I said if I can just do one of those trades like that, 700 a day, I can easily average 56, closest 56 to even $6,000 in profit within with the 8 trading days, so I can have enough. What's that called? Enough of a cushion to be able to draw $2,000 in 8 days. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. That was my goal. Hey, Ish, can you hear me?
Yeah, I fixed it now. Sorry
Okay.
about that.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. So yeah, you're trading full minis now?
Yeah, I'm basing it
Oh.
on this gold. The reason being is that when I was basically I was doing some back testing, and I said, you know what, if I trade this gold, the gold levels here that I'm talking about, you just do.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trading two contracts, but you need to be on a 50K account. It's gonna be tough on a
Right.
25K. You need at least a
Okay.
50K, right? And if,
Okay.
like I said, if you can trade, like here's a setup right now that's setting up right here. So you got this, came back down. Mostly it's gonna come back up. You got some heat coming down here, but you can see kind of it's probably bounce up here. Your setup is right there, and your first target is 7 points. Your second target is up to here. If you do that on two contracts, your profit goal there is $700.
Wow.
So if you can do that, just one trade like that,
To
once a
the
day.
pivot, right?
Was that?
To the, you taking that to the pivot? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. To this is what we call the gold line. So all this like here, when you see the green here, that's basically
Mm-hmm.
saying you need to take a buy here, at least up here. This definitely you would have gotten caught here, right? You would have gotten it in. Question is where's your stop? It's usually going to be down here if I have a swing. I don't know why I don't have my swings on here. So I'd take it down. You see the swing here. You would have been stopped out. But then it's okay to get stopped out. That's fine. Or what I
Mm-hmm.
do is my stop is 60 ticks. I don't move it.
Six.
It's set
Oh,
at
okay.
60. Once it hits that, because it's around I think 300. But the thing is, once
300.
you hit that, you wait for
Mm-hmm.
another. Because most likely it's going to get up here. You wait for this. Put an entry order here. Limit order to buy.
Mm-hmm.
So you get filled. You'll probably get the 7 points. That would be around 200 some dollars, and then
Mm-hmm.
target up here would make a total. So whatever loss you got 300, you'll be still netting
Mm-hmm.
400 in profit.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So that's why
Uh,
I figured I'm not gonna if it hits my stop. That means that I didn't. I it wasn't basically that amount of risk is 300. See, look at that right there.
mm,
So you got entered here. Most likely you'll probably get your 7 points right up here. That would be 200 something. And if it
mm-hmm.
continues up here, that's gonna be a total of 700. You let's say you had a loss here of 300, right?
Okay.
Um, what is 60 ticks? 60 ticks is what times five? Yeah, 300. So that's
Yeah, 300.
basically $600 loss,
Mm,
two contracts.
two
Or
contracts.
in this case, if you entered just right here, I think you would have got your first target. Let me see. Where's my ruler here? Oh, here we are. You would have got your first target. Is that it? Can't see because I'm sitting somewhere. Okay, yeah. So you got here. Let's see, you entered right there. Your first, you went up to there. So let me see. 7 times 140. That should be, oh, not quite. We got, what is that, 135? Yeah,
No.
it would be
Yeah.
135 on one contract on 7 points would be 140, I believe, right?
That was 20.
So you would not have,
Right. Yeah.
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 So
Exactly.
you would
Yeah.
not have made that first target. Now again, depending of your stop, where would be your stop here? Is it way down here? Interesting. Let me see where your stop would be.
Mm,
Let's see, you entered right here. So your stop would be 300. Yeah, right there. It would have been that. Yeah, you would have been stopped out.
right there.
Yeah, you would have been stopped out there. I think once you see this double top or this top there, you would have been getting out anyways. You see there's a reversal. So now what's
Mm,
coming? So what it did was it came from here down to this next level, but that's really not an entry. What the entry is usually from
mm,
zero to the upside, or from the 50 down to the down here. This is the golden setup going from
mm,
50 to the 26. This is what they call the silver setup going from 0 up to 26. It didn't quite really make it up there. So now what you're doing here, you want to see what happens here. This may
mm,
push down all the way down to the, actually you can actually get a trade here coming down, because now it looks like it's going to try to test this 233. Once it breaks this, you may get, 7 points. You can get
mm.
either $280 if you do two contracts for that 7 points. It's still,
Okay.
and that's why when I was down 1,000, what is that, 1,000 some dollars, I wasn't worried because I know I would have came back, and that's what happened.
Mm. Wow. Okay.
So I had
All
like
right.
I had like two losses in a row, if you can see there. That's why, and this was not, this was during the pre-market open. So
Pre-market. Okay.
yeah, and that's the reason I said, I'm gonna quit until I get to my, this time, because I know it's gonna make money, and I did. So I
Mm.
was down as much as 1,400. Look at this. I didn't
Wow.
lose a single one there, right? I made it up to
Wow.
765. My
On your
other,
PA, right?
yeah, this is a PA.
Wow.
This is my evaluation. On this one, I'm up 695. Um, that's a Beal Knox
Mm.
evaluation. The other one is an Apex. This one's an
Oh,
Apex PA. I bought another eval for Apex. See, I can pass that in 2 trading days. In fact, I might trade that now, so I can see if I can pass it and get that and start doing that. But right now, 8 days. You have 8 trading days. If I can do $700 to $800 a day on that, I can easily
I'm,
request for that payout on the eighth day for
I'm
2,000.
I'm praying to get there, coach. I keep blowing them up.
Yeah, it's all a
Like, pop.
mental thing. It just took me a while just to get back there again, because I've been
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
busy with a lot of things just to pass an evaluation. So I got these
Do you?
evaluations right now, um,
Yeah.
and working to build up my PAs again. So that's
Right.
what I
Right.
plan to do. Just trading this golden level. These levels, it works pretty good. Based
Really.
on, you have to make sure you know where the momentum is. Like for example here, if I want to trade this PAs, there I have another evaluation. Where is that? Oh, I didn't know I have two. Oh,
Hmm.
wait, what's this other one? 48. 7. Oh, I have. It's kind of both. So let's do this. I have $200 left on this other one. I'm trying to figure out which one I need to trade, so I don't trade the wrong one. Wait, where's
Mm.
this? 239. Where's my cursor? Yeah, because there's usually the good setup is going to be coming around 12:45, so I'm going to wait for that. 230. What is that? 239. Yeah. So here I'm going to trade this one. This one I'm going to do trading. Yeah, two contracts. See that you would have gotten this coming down here, coming down here. Let me see what's going to bounce off this 233. But at least you would have got a $280. If you hit the 7 points, you would have got your 7 points easily. That's $280.
Right, right. Okay.
So let me see if I can get this back down. 239 is it? Yeah. So this one I'm gonna go back and trade this. This is a PA or not a PA, an evaluation.
Yeah.
So you see this? It's really breaking.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's going right through here. So what I'm gonna do, and there's your setup going from the 50 down to the. Let's see what it does here.
Mm.
Man, this is just going down.
Order submitted.
We're below the VWAP. It's testing that VWAP now. We'll pull back to the VWAP. Let's see if it continues coming down. Actually, there's a good setup coming down. So let's see if we hit this.
Mm.
Again, it's coming down to this. This is what you call the golden setup. It's going from the 50 down to the 26. And if you get that, and you can see where I'm entering, it's a little further up, so I might get more than 700 on this trade if it does hit that 26.
Oh, okay.
But you know
Let's
where
see.
we see where the momentum is now is headed to the downside.
Mm. You have a video on this, right? Where you teach
Yeah,
it?
yeah. In
Okay.
fact,
I
it's,
got it right.
I think it's there in our page
Okay,
on the
I'll check
setups.
it. Yeah, I've
Yeah.
been out of the loop. Um, I need to quit my job, coach. It takes too much of my time. Can't get the
Yeah,
trade.
yeah.
Can't.
Do what Karen does.
I know that girl. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away now.
Yeah, I know.
I,
Me
I
too. Me
should.
too.
Order filled.
There. So there.
Uh,
We have one target at 7 points. You see where it is? That's an easy 7 points right there. Let's see if it gets down there. If it breaks that, then you know. So I kind of entered here early. Let me see where I'm
okay.
at. Anticipating it's gonna go all the way down there. So let's see. Only $60 down. It should go down.
Okay. That's two contracts. Well,
Yeah.
wow. Amazing.
Yeah. In fact, yesterday I made 1,700. I was able to pass this evaluation in 2 days.
Wow. But would you open two contracts on your PA?
Yeah.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
So you're definitely a strong strategy then.
Yeah.
High probability
Yeah.
strategy.
Yeah. Remember, I was down.
Okay.
Well, I traded the wrong time. That's why I was down 1,400.
Wow. Okay.
But first trade I took with this time frame, like 10, what is it, 11:30 a.m. Eastern, I started with one
Mhm.
contract and hit. Although it made another 250 or $300. I said once I got that cushion, I started doing two contracts.
Mm.
So there's a 60 tick stop. I'm not gonna move that. I don't want to risk more than that.
Right. Right. Okay.
See, because I got in too soon. It has to break that 50, where you can see I'm above the 50, right? So I kind of
Okay.
got too early in this trade, anticipating that's going to continue coming down.
Okay.
You want basically you want to have that limit order below that 50 level, several ticks below that 50 level.
Is that colored line there?
Yeah, this comes, the setup there, the indicator, it's already there. I
Okay.
already sent the template with it, so it gives you
Okay.
this color, meaning if it's a red color, that means you sell. The target is always the blue or the gold target is the gold line. That's why it's called the gold
Oh,
level.
I see. I see. Interesting. Okay.
Yeah. If it's green, you're taking a buy and going up to the gold level, 26. If it's a red, you take a sell. So right now we're at the red. Here we go. This is gonna be a little over $200 if I hit that first target. I think it's one. Yeah.
Nice, coach. Wow.
Target filled.
There's your first. Now it gets down there, down to where my second target is. That's $700,
Wow.
and you just have to do that one trade on a PA. You're done.
Wow.
Here we go. We're approaching it. Let me bring this down one more to that level. But if it hits this, you got $700. Maybe I'm
Hmm.
gonna get maybe 800 right here. I bring it right there.
Wow. Nice.
Oh, you got it. The first target,
Yeah,
coach.
yeah.
Yeah,
So I'm just waiting for this third target, second target to hit.
yeah. I had a hard time with NQ,
Ah, yeah. Why?
Coach Dom.
Why's
Huh?
that? Why's that?
Wow, I hit I don't know, I'm not used to it. So I had negative 850.
Ah, you should have just went back to MNQ if that's what you're used to. MNQ.
Yeah, no, then I switched back to MNQ
Right.
and I was able to build up from 850 all the way to positive 50,
Ah, yeah.
negative 8.
Nice.
Yeah. But then uh, I had a miscalculation on the VWAP
Hmm.
because I thought, that the VWAP doesn't expand, but
Yeah.
it's based on the market.
Right. Right.
So I was in the bottom. I placed a buy because I said we're in the bottom. It's going to go up.
Hmm.
It continued to go down.
Target
So I
filled.
blew my, I blew my
You.
bullet off.
Ah. Well,
Yeah.
it's cheap anyways. It's what 80. It's 91% off. So there, I am up 665
Wow. Okay. This
on
thing
this one.
works, huh?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
golden. Yeah.
It does. What is this? Is this on? Huh, I'm trying to figure out what this is. 239. Oh no, I'm 657. Huh. Yeah. There. It finally. Yeah.
Wow. Good job, coach. Wow. Nice.
So I'm done with that. I can trade more, but this is a evaluation. I'm gonna see if I can pass this in 2 days again and get another PA.
Wow. Nice.
So I'm waiting until
That,
12:45 because you're gonna have a setup there for sure, like they did. They always have it around 12:45 around that time. So I'm gonna wait
amazing.
that so maybe I can get another maybe get this up to maybe 1500 and tomorrow I'll do another 1500 and hopefully pass another evaluation.
You're killing it. Awesome.
Yeah, but there's like I said, use this strategy. It's actually pretty good. It
Yeah,
works on
that's nice.
MNQ and it works on MNQ. You want to use between 4 or 6 contracts and it works. Is that what you did, Emil, when you were trading your MNQ? 4 or 6 contracts
No, yeah, I was doing about two or four contracts.
on
Yeah,
MNQ? Yeah,
yeah.
but you're on a 25K, right?
No, no,
No,
50K.
50K. Okay.
Yeah.
So what did you do here? Most likely, if it's going to come back here because it's going to retrace back to the 233, you take it again, coming down. Because mostly what you see here, we probably pull back to the 233, then you would hit there again and come back down. That's another. If it does
Yeah.
that,
the 233 is the blue line?
This gold line is a 233 MA right there.
Oh, that's the goal. Okay,
Right,
okay.
and this is the 55.
All right, definitely got to go through the video, the
Yeah,
tutorial.
yeah.
Yeah.
So this is coming down. This is basically
Order submitted.
strong here. You could have got here. You got here. Definitely, you'll get your 7 points. Let's see if it gets down here. And usually, if it gets down here, what is it going to do? It's green. Most likely, it's going to get here and come back up and hit this.
Okay.
So I want to see this come down. Let's see. I'm going to take it right down here. So,
Order submitted.
and if I'm going to do it, I'll probably do the 7. Let's see what happens to 7 points.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay, you see where the 7 points is. Now, I'm going to just take this second level. If it's going to go all the way down there, or, yeah, if this is a green one, most likely it's going to try to get down here, so I'll do it right there.
Oh. So it's 23. Coach, this is the new time you're trading, 11:30 every day
Target
now.
filled.
Yep. It's not as volatile.
What's the reason? Oh, okay, okay.
That's why I like it. You can see it's really, and it behaves the structure.
Gotcha. Okay. Oh, you got it. Oh, nice. Coach, amazing.
Yeah, you got target 1.
Yeah.
I'm impressed. Wow, nice.
Target filled.
There. Look at that. So there's another set. What is that? So I'm up 1195 right now. So now what you want to see here, um, let it go past. I'll probably do a limit order right here because most likely it's going to try to get it back up. So I'll do that.
Order submitted.
Oh,
And see if it's going to come up.
wow. Amazing.
You see, it's a green line, so most likely it's going to try to pull back up there. So let's see.
Hmm. Interesting.
going further down, that's fine because eventually it's going to pull back. So I'll leave it there unless it hits another level. So right now we're hitting 77. That's really not a really trading place. It's really between between that green and the red. So you see where I am in the deviation level here.
Order filled. Target filled.
Oh wow, amazing.
Target filled.
There we are.
Wow.
Another 700. I'm at 1815.
Coach, you oh my God. I'm impressed beyond. I don't know. This is amazing.
Yeah,
And the confidence, it's like, wow,
yeah. You only need
amazing.
two trades for a PA. You only need one trade. That's it, like that.
Wow, coach. I can't believe it. I'm speechless. Okay. Wow. That's amazing.
And this is on a 50K. And just long as that market is obeying that structure, it's gonna do it.
Wow.
It
And,
pulled
and
back.
this was at
Yeah,
zero.
it pulled back to the 233, like it said right there.
Wow.
So I'm pretty much that's it. I'm done. I made this one on this not PA evaluation. I'm close to 17, 19. So tomorrow I'll do the same thing. I should pass this eval by tomorrow.
Wow. I took a scalp
Right.
following you.
Yeah.
I was a little nervous, and I did two contracts.
Yeah.
So I scalped it. So I'm
Yeah.
up 26.85,
Yeah.
and
See.
I'm done. I'm done. I mean, I think I made what's $600 trade.
Yeah. Good. Nice.
Close to it, close to it,
Trading at
close to it.
NQ, right? NQ. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm following you here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I'm sold. I'm sold. You got me. You got my attention.
So that's it. You're done. So it doesn't take you more than 2 hours as
Yeah.
long as you. Again, you have to follow the momentum. Sometimes you have the level there. It's going to say green, but the thing is,
Mm.
if it's telling you to buy here, for example, right here, but the thing is your momentum is still going down. I'm going to wait until it comes back up, like I did, because I know. Look at this. We have strong momentum to the downside, right? Why would I want to buy here when it's strong momentum? It's like going in front of a truck until you
Right,
see
right,
the reversal. You see what happened to the 21 EMA. Now it's setting up. That's where you put your limit order go up, and then because now you have your momentum now going back up. You don't want to get it here and put a limit order here going up because this is like going in front of a truck.
Mhm.
You'll be run over,
right, right.
right? And eventually, if you see that strong momentum, just let it run by. But just put a limit order here because most likely it's going to come back what you did.
Mhm.
Cool.
Wait, coach,
Mm.
how'd you know it was gonna hit the 2600?
It always does. That's a system. This is the silver.
Because
Yeah, this is
yeah,
this is what we consider the silver system. And for you know
okay,
exactly when
yes,
you have confluence there, you also have the
yeah,
233, right? So that's a
right.
heavy confluence.
Mhm.
And if you're up down
Okay,
here,
okay,
so you might get up here, let it pass, then when it comes back down, hit down here. Most likely it's going to test this 233 again when he goes back up there. So that's another what close to $700 trade. So just doing these,
yeah,
just doing this gold and silver, you just have to do
yeah,
one of those. You get that's a $1,400 trade. You're done.
yeah.
Wow. Impressive, coach.
But,
Coach, I'm
but
going to
that would
review
be
the.
$140
Yeah,
on
on
micros.
yeah.
Yeah,
Depends on
yeah,
how
yeah.
it depends how many contracts you're trading.
Right, right.
That's why I recommend six because it's really high probability.
Yeah, yeah.
So three contracts at each target. That's good for micros. Doing the
That's right.
25K,
Yeah.
yeah,
Mhm.
you can easily get your profit target.
Quick
Okay.
question, coach.
Okay, coach. Thank you so much.
Yep.
It was a good night.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is more relaxed on this hour. It's not it's not
Yes.
erratic like during the morning the open. So I just do this because it's lunchtime, and they
Right.
usually again mostly they're gonna be another setup around 12:45. Watch it ish. Watch for this setup around 12:45.
Yeah, I'm not confident yet. I still got to learn the
Yeah.
ins. I'm hearing you.
Yeah.
I just need to,
Just watch the
solidify it.
right. Just watch the video. It's there, and also I am also gonna provide another video from the people who developed this.
Oh, wow.
I'll provide the link.
Would you
Yeah.
I mean, do you do? I'm gonna review it, but in case, are you guys planning any type of live training for answering questions or
Yeah, I mean, watch it. If
curious?
you have any questions, yeah. Um, because this is what I normally trade. You know, if you have any questions while I'm doing live trading, you can go ahead and ask.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sweet.
Yeah, that
Appreciate
would be
you.
great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Thanks, Coach.
Oh,
I really appreciate everything you do.
yes.
Yeah. Hopefully this time you finally get to the payout line ish.
Yeah. No. And also, I love the time you're trading.
Yeah.
I want to mimic you and get into your head a little bit, see how
Right.
you handle the psychology, because
Yeah.
I'm still not there yet,
Okay.
you know. Um, God bless. Thank you.
God bless. Okay. See you guys tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Right. See ya.
Bye.